Welcome to another day of Smokin' with Joe. Today we're going to revisit a little experiment I did a while back with some KD Original Macaroni dinner. Yeah, you know exactly what I'm talking about. America's favorite comfort food, specifically designed to be eaten out of the same pot it was cooked in. Like I'm the only one that's ever done that. But what I wanted to do was see how it would taste if I smoked it in my Bradley P10. So stick around to the very end and see how it all turned out. Plus we'll be giving away a discount coupon code for some great deals down at bradleysmoker.com. Okay, so I start off the normal way. Whoa! Boil the noodles to perfect al dente, then I strain it, add a whack of butter, and then I add the contents of the cheese package that comes in the KD box. Now, it does ask for margarine and milk. Not this kid, no, butter. Definitely butter. At least that's the way I like it. So the goal here is to make smoked KD. Now, I've never done this before, so I don't have a clue on how long I should smoke it. So I figured I better set up a little experiment. So I put some parchment on a rack and I took the prepared KD and put it into 3 piles on the parchment. And I'm going to smoke one for 20 minutes, one for 40 minutes, and one for 60 minutes. And by the way, this is actually a really good way to test anything you smoke. It's a great way to help build confidence in your recipes. I mean, this one's only taking 60 minutes, but some of them, they take hours, and it's really important to nail the smoke times. Anyways, back to smoking KD. I set the smoker for a cook time of 1 hour, 240 degrees. And a smoke time of 1 hour. Plus, I'm using 3 alder biscuits. Well, the test was a success, but the KD tasted like a cheese-flavored ashtray. It was really awful. So I figured, well, let's try this. Let's take the noodles without any of the butter or cheese mix and do them the same way. 20 minutes, 40 minutes, 60 minutes. It tasted a little better, but no, still not that good. Luckily, I have one more trick up my sleeve. I smoked a block of cheddar last week and it's been sitting in the fridge mellowing now for 7 days. It was a simple smoke. It was 2 hours in between 2 trays of ice so that it wouldn't melt. And yeah, it turned out quite nicely. So I made another pot of Kraft dinner the way I like it, and I added some grated smoked cheddar to the mix. That was the winning combination, KD with a hint of smoky cheddar. It was actually quite delicious. And as promised, here's the discount coupon code for some great deals at bradleysmoker.com. So that was my crazy smoked Kraft dinner experiment. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.